everyone, welcome back. My name is Marie, aka Miss Precious Marie. Today I will be sharing with you guys the new invisible knot wig. This wig comes from Afsisterwig, and I will be sure to link everything below. So let's jump right in because I'm really excited to show you guys everything about this new invisible knot wig. So if you want to see everything, let's get right in and keep on watching. Let me share with you all the cap. This is a transparent lace and it is a full lace cap with combs and adjustable straps. This wig does come with bleach knots. The special thing about this wig is that the knots are invisible, meaning that they are very tiny. They are very undetectable, and as you can see, you do not see any black dots on this lace wig at all. And because of that, it looks like a natural scalp. As you can see, it looks really good. So let me show you the difference between this wig and a wig that the knots are bigger. So for a wig like this, the knots will be very easy to bleach if they did not come bleached already. But like I said, the knots already came bleached, and this is the color of them. And this is how the transparent lace color looks up against my skin tone. I will say that it is a tad bit lighter than what I am. Normally I wear the light brown lace, but I'm going to apply this wig and show you guys exactly how it looks. And as you can see, it does also come with a pre-plucked hairline. Now remember, every knot on this wig is undetectable from front to back, as you can see throughout the parting that I just shared with you. So the color of the knots is not matching. They are a little bit orangey. So what I did is went back and corrected it. And as you can see now, everything is matching accordingly to my skin complexion a lot better. So I really like the outcome of that. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and apply this, and I will be trimming away the ear tab area, and I just cut away the extra area around the ear to make it fit. So for a temporary hold, I will be using a hair gel to glue down this wig instead of a hair glue. Now I will say this, when you have a wig that is this undetectable, you want the best application you can get. So I would not recommend using a hair gel. Find you a really good hair glue. I like to use the bowl hold adhesive. It gives a really flawless application. So that is what I would recommend if you're looking for a more longer hold. So I'm just using the hair gel because this is a temporary application for me right now. But if I were to wear this for a longer period, I'm definitely going to use an adhesive. And here is the wig after I have cut the lace. Oh my god, like look how natural this looks. Like OMG, there is no lace detectable, there is no knots, and at this point this is my hair. Like I don't care what any of you say. If you see any knots, it's because I'm very zoomed in. You cannot tell me that this is not my hair right now. Like look at it. I will be sure to put this wig down in the description box if you all are interested in it. Also, I do want to say that this is the loose wave, and I believe this is a 20-inch and the density is about 150%. But I am completely blown away by this wig. Like every single knot on this wig from front to back is invisible. Like we're sitting here every day talking about wig caps. We're sitting here every day talking about the grids, and really we needed to focus on the knots because that is what is going to make this wig or any wig look natural, as you can see. I'm actually convinced the transparent lace is really nice, but if the knots are not undetectable, then it really defeats the purpose. So as you can see, this wig is transparent. It has the invisible knots, and they will be offering the lace in different colors. Also, I believe they're going to add 2 other colors. But yeah, I really like this a lot. It's very lightweight. It does not feel heavy. It's very breathable, and you get so much parting space in the front. And you can also bleach the knots and do the back, but since it does have that center cap, that's the only thing that keeps you from really parting it straight down the middle. I mean, you can, but there's, you know how that stretch cap can be in the center, you guys. But yeah, I love this so very much, and like I said, I will be sure to link it below if any of you are interested. And if you have any questions about anything from today's video, you can leave me a question below. If you have questions about the wig, I would highly recommend just contacting the company. They can help you more and answer your questions more about their product. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give this video a like if you want me to bring more videos like this, and be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you all back in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.